How to compress a Word file and reduce the size of a Word document. So I have this document here on my desktop, and let's see the size of it by going into the properties. 930 kilobytes. Nothing massive, but let's see if we can make it smaller. First things first, let's come down to this picture here, highlight it, then come up to picture format, and you want to press compress pictures here, and make sure apply only to this picture is unchecked. Now here underneath you want to use default resolution, then press OK. This should compress all the pictures. Now the next step is to save the pictures in a lower resolution. So let's go to File here. Then let's come down and select Options. From the options we want Advanced. Now you want to come down to the Image, Size and Quality section here. Now you want to make sure Discard Editing Data is checked. You see here what this means. And then you want to make sure Do Not Compress Images in File. Make sure that's not ticked. Now the default resolution here, you want to make sure it's lower than this 220 ppi. So let's choose 96 ppi. Now let's go to the Save section. And you also want to make sure Embedded Fonts in this file is not checked. Don't have this checked because this can take up space also. Now you want to press OK, so we're all done. And you want to press the Save button up here to save the document. So now let's see the size of it. See the pictures, image, quality go then. So let's see the size of it now. 110 kilobytes, a massive saving of space. So that's how to compress a Word file and reduce the size of your Word document. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.